Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fresh leaks about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3, and a quick update on the Nothing Headphone 1. So, let's get right into it. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch around July 2025. From what the leaks are showing, it will be available in two colors, classic white and black. The price might range between 151,999 rupees and 189,999 rupees. For those in Europe, it could cost about 800 euros, which is roughly 90,500 rupees. This new phone will pack a pretty impressive 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED screen that supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's rumored to get super bright, up to 3000 nits. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will be running the show, and you can expect up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Photography-wise, the Nothing Phone 3 will come with a triple rear camera setup. The main sensor is said to be 50 megapixels, while the front-facing camera is 32 megapixels, perfect for selfies and video calls. The battery size is expected to be a solid 5000 mAh, supporting fast wired charging at 50W and wireless charging at 20W. It'll run on Android 15 with the company's own Nothing OS skin. Now, let's talk about the Nothing Phone 3A and the 3A Pro, which were launched earlier this year in March 2025. The 3A is available in white, black, and blue, while the 3A Pro comes in white and gray. The 3A starts at around €329 to €349 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model, and goes up to €379 to €399 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version. The 3A Pro is a bit pricier, roughly €459 to €479 for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Both these models sport the same 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. They're powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and have a 5000 mAh battery that supports 50W wired charging. Camera setups differ slightly here. The 3A has a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 32 megapixels front camera. The 3A Pro, on the other hand, steps it up with a triple rear camera including a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixels front camera. As for the Nothing Headphone 1, there aren't any leaks yet regarding its new colors or pricing, so we'll have to wait for official updates on that. That's all for today's update on the Nothing Phone 3 and the current status of the Nothing Headphone 1. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech news and updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.